When it comes to choosing the best business management tool, many companies turn to Monday.com and Scoro. But how do you know which one truly stands out for your business? Let's take a closer look at both, and stick around until the end for a better alternative you might not have considered yet. First, let's dive into Monday.com. Known for its flexibility, Monday.com offers a highly customizable platform that helps teams manage projects, track tasks, and automate workflows. Its user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for teams to get started, even without prior training. You can set up boards for tasks, timelines, and even track progress in real time. It's like a visual project management powerhouse. However, with all that customization comes complexity. Some users find that it can take time to figure out how to set up the boards in a way that works best for their specific needs, and some functions might feel a bit overwhelming if you're not tech-savvy. Next thing to consider is Scoro. Scoro is known for being a complete business management software, offering project management features along with financial tools, client management, and even time tracking. It's an all-in-one solution for managing your business from start to finish. The strength of Scoro lies in its depth of features, especially for companies that require detailed reporting and financial integrations. That said, it's more expensive than Monday.com, and the interface can feel a bit too rigid for some users. Unlike Monday.com, where you can adapt everything to your style, Scoro has less customization, which may be a deal breaker if you want something highly flexible. The third thing worth noting is the ease of integration. Monday.com offers a huge variety of integrations with other platforms like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. This makes it super easy to connect your favorite tools. On the other hand, Scoro's integrations aren't as extensive, although it does integrate well with accounting and finance software, which can be a big plus for certain businesses. If your company depends on seamless integration with multiple third-party apps, Monday.com has the edge here. Next, let's talk pricing. Monday.com is generally more affordable, especially for smaller teams or businesses that don't need the full suite of features. You can start small and scale up as needed, which gives it an edge for startups or growing businesses on a budget. Scoro, however, is more expensive, but could be worth it if you need all the bells and whistles like billing, financial management, and deep reporting capabilities. If you're a larger organization with a bigger budget and more complex needs, Scoro might offer the value you're looking for, but it's definitely not for everyone. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. Monday.com's support team is generally praised for being responsive, but some users complain that it can take a while to get a detailed answer. Scoro, on the other hand, has a more hands-on support team with options for personalized onboarding and training, which could be useful for teams that need a bit more guidance. Now, here's the thing. Both Monday.com and Scoro are great at what they do, but if you're looking for the ultimate tool that balances ease of use, integrations, and scalability, there's an alternative worth checking out. After trying both Monday.com and Scoro myself, I found that neither truly hit all the marks for what a business needs for comprehensive management. If you're looking for a more efficient solution that provides flexibility, better integrations, and a smoother user experience, I highly recommend giving the platform in the link below a try. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits only available to my viewers, so you can explore it for yourself with no strings attached. Check it out through the first link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to take advantage of the best free trial offer available through my link below and make the smarter choice for your business management needs today.